How to add table of content in Google Docs. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a table of content in your Google Docs. When it comes to a table of content, it's very important when we have a very long document or a created on Google Docs. It will help us navigate to the page or a content that we're looking for in a document. First, you're going to open up the document where you want to add your table of content. Most of the time, the document is a long document and it requires a table of content. In order to do that, first of all, make sure all of your pages or different paragraphs have a heading 1. So you can select your title of your page or your heading and navigate to headings right here and select heading 1. This way, all of your pages will have these headings and we can create a table of content. Select the first page or the last page of your document. Enter the heading for table of content. Navigate to insert. Scroll down to table of content. We have two types of layouts available, a plain text or links. A plain text that will have a page number. Once you do, a table of content will automatically be created on your Google Docs. You can see it has our headings and page numbers added. Now we can of course customize the alignment and the coloring, everything. You can change the font or the size of your table of content. If you want to add a new link, in order to get to a page, select the heading and then click on the link. It will directly take you to the page or the content that is mentioned. If you want to add a new content to your table, you can just create a new heading. Once the heading is created, you can go to your table of content and refresh. The new heading will be added right here. This is how you add table of content in Google Docs. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.